Hello everyone, just delay. This is Wangmo. Welcome back to my channel. In Tibet, also include the Himalayan region, many Tibetan parents will braid their girls' hair in the morning. And when I was a child, my mom and my aunt will often help me to braid my hair. And then I will go to school and the mood of the day was very good. Of course, in the Passion area, braiding your hair is a common way to dress up. Almost the girls and the women in Passion area will do that kind of hairstyle. And now it is really popular in Lhasa with this kind of string to braid your hair. And next I'll show you how to do it with this kind of string to braid my hair. And let's start. Look, there are a lot of colors of the string and you can choose your favorite colors to do your hair. All these colors are my favorite. And let's start it. First of all, I will choose one purple. Choose one purple to do my hair. Let's do it. Look, my purple one is done, and then I will choose pink one. I will choose one pink to do my hair. Actually, this kind of hairstyle is not only popular among the Tibetan girls, but also loved by tourists from all over the country. Therefore, in Lhasa, especially in Barco Street, there is a profession to braid people's hair. It is also a kind of way to experience in Lhasa. So, welcome to Tibet to try it, and if you like, you can do it and experience this kind of feeling in your home. Pink one is done. Now I will choose one blue one. Okay, the blue one is done. Want to choose one yellow because it like sun on my head. Okay, I will choose one yellow one. Okay, done. I did 8 on my head, and if you like, you can do it at home by yourself. And I feel warm, like this kind of multiple colors on my head. In daily life, you can tie them up like this. Of course, you can put them down. Just do the way you like, okay? This style of braiding is easy and can be done by myself, while others are more complicated and require help from others, just like the way in pasturing area I just showed you before. I do it every once in a while and feel confidence walking around because it looks really good. Okay, I'm going to go out with my friends tonight. That's all for today, and do not forget to subscribe me. Okay, it's time to say goodbye to everyone. See you next time. Bye. Just delay.